What is going on, guys? It is your boy Fatboy, aka Fatboy Sneakers, and it's been a while since the last uploaded. But today, from the title of this video, you can tell that it's gonna be a car video, and I am super excited about today because I am finally installing my H-pipe. I recorded myself installing my headers. Well, not installing, but when I got my headers, talking about my headers, I recorded a cold start before the headers and after the headers. And it was useless because none of the audio came through. I forgot that I had turned off the audio in my camera, and it was the dumbest thing ever. I was so mad because I was editing the video. I was gonna start editing the video so I can upload it, and nope, no audio was coming in, so I was so mad. But just to give you guys a quick update, I already put in my headers. The car obviously sounds a little bit louder, but in doing so, when I installed my headers, it made my car louder, but it also made it raspier. And apparently it's a thing with the Genesis, when you just getting your headers, it's gonna sound super raspy, and there's gonna be some rattling around. I never knew that, and apparently it's a common thing. Then again, I don't know anybody with the Genesis, but even on YouTube and even on social media, nobody has ever talked about it. And apparently it's a common thing, and I did not know. So I wish I knew that before, but now I know, you know. So hopefully today I'm gonna get rid of that rasp. It's super annoying. I will be installing some clips of how it sounds with the rasp, and you can hear it. Like I recorded myself in a garage or a parking garage, and it sounds terrible. The car sounds nice, but with that rasp gone, it's gonna sound 10 times better. So that's today's video. Hopefully we can get rid of that rasp. So I will be installing an H-pipe in a little bit. I have an appointment at 12:30. It's exactly 12:23. But I'm gonna give you guys a cold start, show you guys how it starts right now. I mean, how it sounds like that. How it sounds right now. Give you guys a couple revs, and hopefully the H-pipe eliminates like at least more than 50% of the rasp, because that rasp is super fucking annoying. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on to the exhaust shop, and I'm praying that it is worth $150 and it eliminates a little bit of that rasp, because it's super fucking annoying. So let's go. So we are at the muffler shop. We're just gonna wait because there's a car. We're just gonna wait because there's already people here. I mean, I did make an appointment, but I guess, I don't know. We'll just wait, it's fine. It won't take that long. So I'll hit you guys back up when they're working on the car. What is going on, guys? It has been a while since I installed the H-pipe. I'll say it's been like about 3 hours, and I am sort of happy. I'm not gonna lie, the rasp is not completely gone because it's still raspy, and like I said from the beginning of the video, it's not gonna eliminate 100% of the rasp, but it will eliminate some of it, and that's exactly what it did. It did eliminate some of it. It's still there again, but the rasp is gonna be there either way, and hopefully there's another way of fixing that. If you guys know a single way to get rid of the rasp completely, please just let me know, guys. Just drop it on the comment, DM me on Instagram at tfcarlos or Ara the Coop, anything. If you guys have any advice or anything that would help me, it would really mean a lot. I did, however, record how it sounds like, and I'm about to play it right now for you guys, and I'm gonna play the before and after so you guys can kind of hear what I'm talking about, because 3,000 to 4,000 RPM revs, you can really hear the difference. Like, it's not as raspy anymore, but if you rev it all the way to the red line, you can still hear the rasp, but not as much. You guys will see what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and play it real quick. I look like shit right now because I literally just woke up. Like, I took good ass nap, so I definitely look like I just woke up. So there you go. Like I said, guys, it's still there. It's not 100% gone. For now, I'm gonna leave it like it is, just because it's not that big of an issue. I just wanted to get rid of a little bit. So far, I already got my headers. All I need to do is install my manifold riser, which I already do have in hand. And actually, I got it for 150 bucks. I know if you guys know what it is, it's actually a little spacer that goes into the manifold, and the regular price on them is 250. So I actually saved myself $100. I got it from this guy on Facebook, so shout out to him. That's pretty much it. All I have to do is install it, and then we go ahead and get it tuned. So it's just those two things, maybe like small things here or there. But I think that's it. That's it that we need to do for performance wise. Just the spacer, and boom, we jump right into the tune. And now we'll be getting tuned by Alpha Speed. So I can't freaking wait to show you guys. I also need my CEL light gone so I can pass missions. But that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please, if you haven't already, please hit that like button. And if you really like this video, just subscribe. We'll be recording more of this journey with my car. It's been an amazing car, although it does have issues just like every other fucking car. But I can't wait to record more and show you guys the process. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Your boy Fatboy, aka Fatboy Sneakers, is out. Better fucking click that like button. Alright, peace.